Hello everybody. So I am back to talk about our cleaning supplies. So what kind of essential oils are we going to use for our cleaners? So these are our stars, as you can see. And the beauty of it is that they are, if you notice, the prices are just right there. And how cool is that per drop? So this is the one thing about creating your own DIY cleaning supplies, is that they are super inexpensive. And that is an even bigger bonus. So not only are you having the benefits of detoxifying your home and reducing your toxic load and cleansing properties of these essential oils, but you're also doing it at a huge discounted cost, which I think is great. So I do like to teach that when people ask me about how am I supposed to afford these essential oils, I tell them you DIY your cleaning products, and not only are you benefiting that, you are getting two birds with one stone. So our stars today that we're going to be using are actually On Guard Purify Lemon or Wild Orange. Haven't decided yet. We'll see as we go. Lavender, Tea Tree, Peppermint, and I will also be using Arbor Vitae and Citrus Bloom, but any citrus oil would work. I really have fallen in love with the Citrus Bloom because of the beautiful smells. Like there's lavender in there and magnolia. Oh my gosh, it's like springtime and it is spring clean. So when we do the our linen spray, I'm gonna be using this one. So those are the stars. They're very simple and inexpensive oils to have. If you were to look, the most expensive oil out of them is the On Guard, which is an amazing, it has so many immunity boosting properties that you actually want it. It's the one that's the strongest to clean. We're also going to be using the On Guard concentrate just because it keeps it nice and easy, and it's already pre-done for us, and it's actually extremely inexpensive. Most cleaners only cost about, I believe it's like $1 something to make a multi-purpose cleaner with this. So I don't know, it's pretty amazing. Considering that your children can face plant on it and not be worried about having them have chemicals in their mouth, I think it's a bonus. And then what we're going to be doing to just show you how frugal we can be if you are someone who drinks fizzy water, which sometimes I offer when you have people over. So this bottle is just reused. So it's actually reused. This is a hack from Whole Fit, but I love it. So we're going to do it today, and we're going to start using this in my own home. So Perrier bottles, also reusable. So you see these are from the dollar store, and they fit just nicely. And we are actually, this is what we're going to do, and we're just going to label them. And this will be my multi-purpose cleaner. And actually the best way to take the labels off is to just put this in the sink with hot water and 3 drops of lemon, and the label will literally just melt off in about 5 minutes. So I think that's a great tool as well to teach you guys. All right, so now we're gonna get on, and now that we've learned about the oils, we are going to start with our first cleaner. So hop into the next video. It will be all about, we are going to do our window cleaner, which I'm super excited about, okay?